Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donut, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making 3 types of cakes from one mixture. This video should have been a short video for my shorts on YouTube, but it was long. Ingredients for today's no whisk or no mixer cakes include half cup of melted butter, half cup of vegetable oil, 1 1/3 cup of white sugar, 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, half tablespoon of red powdered food color, half tablespoon of powdered salt, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half tablespoon of baking soda, 2.5 cups of buttermilk. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. Let's get started. So these are the items we are using to make the 3 types of cakes from one mixture. Firstly, we will grease the baking tins with the homemade cake release, which the recipe has been linked down below. Then into the smaller blender cup, we'll start to pour in the melted butter, the vegetable oil, the first cup of sugar, the 1/3 cup of sugar, and the 4 eggs one at a time until all of it is added into the blender cup without shells in it. Now stir the milk once again, remove the spoon and then pour a cup into the blender cup. Then cover with the lid and blend it until everything is well mixed. Let's make the first type of cake, which will be the vanilla cake. We are going to divide the dry ingredients into 3 different bowls. So we'll pour 1/3 of the wet ingredients mix into the first bowl of dry ingredients and then mix everything together to form the vanilla cake batter. Next, we'll move on to making the second type of the cakes, which will be the chocolate cake from the same mixture. This means we'll be adding in the cocoa powder and constant ingredients in most of our chocolate cakes, which is the instant coffee powder. Blend everything until smooth like we did earlier and then pour the chocolate mixture into the second bowl of dry ingredients. Then mix everything together until the chocolate cake batter is obtained. We move on to making the third and final cake batter, which will be the red velvet cake batter. Here we'll add in the rest of the wet ingredients mix, a tablespoon of the cocoa powder and then the red food color. Blend until smooth and then finally add the red velvet liquid mix to the third bowl of dry ingredients. It's piping time. Please, as you are watching the video, kindly subscribe to the channel. Don't just watch the video. Subscribe and help us grow the channel. It helps me a lot. And these are all the 3 cake batters which we made from just one mixture. So to begin, we'll pipe the vanilla butter into the first donuts baking tray with the piping bag and then pipe the chocolate cake batter into the rest of the donut holes on the baking tray using the same piping bag. Finally, we'll also pipe the red velvet batter into the rest of the donut holes on the baking tray using the same piping bag. So we'll use one piping bag to achieve this by piping interchangeably from the first batter to the second and then to the third. This will save you much time and stress after everything is done and you are cleaning up. Now it's time to make use of the rest of the cake batters by creating a marbling effect. First with only the vanilla and chocolate batters, and then we move on to making a double marbled cake with all three batters. With this part, I will show a detailed process later on how to achieve a double marbled cake very soon. After creating the marbling effect, to finish it off, we'll use a skewer to make spiral movements in the batters in the baking tins and then bake at 160 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes depending on the type of oven you are using. Remember to clean off the first batter from the skewer before you make the second spiral movement, since there are two different cake batters and you don't want to add the red velvet to the first one. After baking for 10 to 15 minutes, our donut cakes are ready. Just look at how beautiful it is. So we'll pick them out individually. This is how the red velvet looks like, and this is how the chocolate one also looks like. Then finally to the vanilla ones, which we also baked in a different donut tin, and just look at that. The marbled and double marbled cakes are also ready, and this is how they both look like. Let's cut into the cakes to see how they look like. This is how the double marble cake looks from inside, and look at how foamy and fluffy, super soft it is. Then we move on to cutting the marbled cake, which was made from just two batters, and this is how it also looks from the inside and the outside. You see that as I push it with my hands, it doesn't fall flat, it still bounces back. This is how your cake should be when you bake them, with or without a mixer, with or without a whisk. In all, we were able to use one wet ingredient mix to make 3 types of cakes, which were super soft, fluffy, melt in your mouth, and super delicious. Try this recipe and let me know how it was in the comment section. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This year, I would like you to try every recipe that we post on the channel and then give me feedback in the comment section. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notification icon with the inscription all, so that every Thursday and Sunday if we post new videos, you will find it. And we post short videos from Monday to Sunday, so you can check that out as well. Follow us on all our social media platforms on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and here on YouTube by subscribing. Help us to grow this channel. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.